Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can actually add the text behind the image or the person or an object. So first you have to upload on the image. So I'm going to upload an image from here, for example this one. So I have just uploaded it and I'm going to add this image in this canvas. Now you have to adjust the size from here. For example, I'm going to adjust the size just like this. And from here, for example, if you want to, so I'm going to delete this image, I'm going to add another image here. So for example, I'm going to add it like so it's background here. So here you can see this image here. So if I want to add a text behind that person, so in Canva, then I have to add a text from here. You can find different types of text template here that you can use. Like I'm going to use one of the text from here, for example the glow one. So I'm going to add something that rise, and I'm going to change the color from here in yellow color, change all just like this. And here you can see I have just added it. We can add it anywhere. We are going to change a text color from here that can be visible just like this. So I have just added. Also you can get a text with different types of text. So I'm going to add this in this section. So if I want to send it back to the person, then I have to simply do is, if you are a Canva Pro user, then you can find the background remover option here. So you can simply click on it and you can remove a background from any image and it will catch the object on your image. But if you are not a Canva Pro user, then you can go to the BG remover. So here it is, the remove.bg, where you can just upload that image. So I'm going to upload that image from here, for example this one. So I'm going to just drag and drop that image here, and it will just take a little. So it can just like this, it can just easily remove my background from here. So I'm going to add that image here with the background list. Here it is. So here you can see it is under the text right now. So you have to select the background list image here. Now you can simply click on position. Now simply click on forward and it will make it forward and it will bring it to the forward of every layer. So from here you can just adjust the size, or otherwise you can just do is you can right click on it and make out sorry for that, you can just right click on it, and it's not working right now, but you can do is you can make it the exact size. Here you can see I have just make it exact size, so it will just look like this. Here you can see the text is now under that behind that person here. So that's how you can just do it. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.